Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to update you regarding the latest changes that have been made in ISP portal, particularly in the test domain basically. So please see this video carefully. Now the first part of the video is completely for B4 and B5 students who are attempting the test for the first time. So I'm just explaining them how to attempt the test on ISP application, and then I'll be taking the second part of the video where I'll be explaining about the changes in the test module that has been taken uh, on the application basically. So first of all, for all the B4 and B5 students who are attempting test for the very first time, you just need to scroll down and check whether you are able to see this Infinity JEE pass for JEE students or Infinity NEET pass for engineering students or for medical students basically. So if this pass is not visible to you, please connect with me as soon as possible, as this pass is compulsory or mandatory for attempting the test on ISP application. Now what you need to do is you just need to scroll down and search for your course in all courses section basically. Like JEE student will search for the course ISP JEE. Like you can see ISP JEE is clearly visible here. You just need to click on this ISP JEE course card. As soon as you click on the course card, two buttons will be visible to you. One is live, another is test. You just need to click on the test. The test scheduled for you will be visible on this window basically. Now I have scheduled a demo test for batch 4 and batch 5 students. So you just need to check whether you are able to see this test or not. If for any reason you are not able to see this test, please connect with me on WhatsApp as soon as possible. Now the same thing needs to be followed for NEET students also. NEET students will be able to see this course basically, which is ISP NEET. You need to repeat the same process. Click on the ISP NEET button and click on the test. So you will be able to see the test schedule for you. Now I'm going to explain the major changes that has been taken place in this test basically. Now as soon as you click on the test button, so now when you start the test, you need to do these basic settings. Now earlier what you used to do is you directly start the test without switching off your Wi-Fi or switching off the phone to airplane mode. Now it is mandatory for everyone to switch the phone to airplane mode, to switch off the Wi-Fi and to switch off the Bluetooth device. So you need to make these three settings compulsorily to start your test. If you don't make these settings, your test won't start. So please make sure these three things: you need to switch off your Wi-Fi, you need to switch off your Bluetooth, you need to switch on to airplane mode. But this all will be done after downloading the test. As soon as you click on start the test will get downloaded, and you need to do these three settings before starting your test. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful. Please connect with me if you have any doubt regarding the test. Thank you so much.